Hello and welcome to Machinery Connection. Today we're going to do a demonstration of a Powermatic 201 planer. This is a single-phase 7.5 horse machine, straight knives, 4 straight knives on it, 22-inch bed. We've got 9 inches of capacity, manual up and down. See there. This machine is, I believe it's a 2007. I'll have to check on the number on it, but I believe it's a 2007 in good condition. Let's walk around. There's a little bit of sheet metal damage right there. Somebody had the hood up when they ran it through, but nothing mechanically wrong with it, just a little bend in the sheet metal. Other than that, this machine is in really fine shape. I did have this machine worked on by a Powermatic tool rep here locally. I replaced both of the jack screws under here, all the bearings that go with the jack screws, and up here in the bed, the bed rollers, those all have new bearings on each side of both of the rollers, so these roll really nicely now. The bed is in good condition. It's nice and smooth. A couple little streaks that you can see on it. Some resin that I haven't been able to get all the way off yet, but bed's nice and smooth, no scratches or anything in it. Let's go ahead and power this up. Well, let's demonstrate that this goes up and down correctly. So it goes up and down nice and smooth now. So that's the machine. Everything looks like it works and runs properly. The Powermatic rep checked it out, said everything was good. This machine should be ready to plug into the wall and run. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at Machinery Connection. Thank you. Talk to you soon.